Hello, everyone. Good morning. Welcome you all to this lively session of Spoken Mate. So, Spoken Mate is the best platform which can make you groom to the best, where you can shine to your best. You can look stylish, classy. So, today I will give you very basic tips how to look stylish and classy. So, there are five basic accessories which every girl should possess in her wardrobe or with her personally. So they are very basic accessories. So each and every girl, it can be any age, it can be a teenager, it can be a housewife, it can be a working woman, or it can be any old age lady. So these five basic accessories will make you look class and royal. So my number one basic accessory is a watch. So watch is a must. Every girl should possess a girlish and a stylish watch, which actually enhances her personality. So watch is such a asset we possess that if we are going anywhere, it can be any party, dinner, PTM, या हम कभी कहीं randomly कहीं हम कहीं जाते हैं तो हमारी वॉच पहनने से हमारी पर्सनालिटी एकदम निखर कर आती है. So it doesn't mean that हमें expensive watch ही खरीदनी है. Watch can be of any brand, any quality, whichever you feel comfortable and which is affordable for you to buy. So the moment you wear the watch really gives the royal look to your personality. So I hope each one of us will really go and buy a watch. Even I don't have many watches. Dresses मेरे पास बहुत सारी हैं, but watches, it's like I just have 2 to 3 watches. It's like my watches are around 10 to 12 years old. So I am carrying on with those watches only. So watch is a very basic accessory which every girl should have in her wardrobe. Yes. So I hope everyone now will wear a watch. So I'm sure each one of us at least have one watch with us, right? So we should always wear watch whenever we are going out. It can be anywhere, maybe even for just for 5 minutes shopping also, maybe for window shopping. So watch really gives a better look to our personality. Now the second basic accessory. So all of us are aware of pearl necklace. So pearl necklace really gives a royal look. It gives that English British look which every woman or any girl should possess and should have in her wardrobe, and she should add this in her jewelry box. So pearl, it is easily affordable. You can find it anywhere in any of the jewelry shops or in any of the market. It doesn't have to be very expensive or real. You can go for artificial pearls also. So this is the pearl necklace which I possess, and I love to wear this if I am going out anywhere. It can work for a party also, for a grand party also. We can wear this necklace. See how grand and how royal it's looking whenever we are wearing this pearl necklace. Now we come down to the third basic accessory. So third basic accessory is a woman's bag, a woman's handbag, which all of us really love to carry with us. So especially nowadays, as we have added more accessories to our purses like sanitizer and face mask. So we should have a normal size bag in which we can actually keep our mobiles, we can keep our important makeup accessories like we can say lipstick, compact, a good perfume, face mask, sanitizer, mirror, a pen. So it should possess of a good size. So it can be probably of a black or white color. So you can easily choose black and white color. So the size should be like this. So this is a perfect size for your daily use. Whether you are going for shopping, whether you are going to attend PTM also. हम कई बार अपने बच्चों की PTM अटेंड करने जाते हैं, तो वहां भी हम ये बैग अगर कैरी करेंगे, it will really give a classy look. So we can always carry our purse like this. So it will really enhance our personality and will make you look classy. So I hope you all will really adhere these accessories in your daily life, and you will carry these accessories, which will really give you a stylish look. You will look stunning. You will just look gorgeous. Everyone will say that yes, there is a difference in her personality. Now, the fourth accessory is a pair of sunglasses. So, of course, each one of us should really possess a pair of sunglasses. So, sunglasses really makes us look, see, really makes us look stylish, gorgeous, stunning, and it attracts attention. Through this, we can protect our eyes also, and we can protect ourselves from sun. It will really give a royal look to our personality. So sunglasses doesn't mean that you really have to buy a very expensive one. You can easily buy a nominal price, like a good quality, which is easily affordable in the market, which will actually give a good outlook to our face, to our personality. So we can always have a good pair of sunglasses, which will really give a great look to our personality. Now we have another tip, another accessory is that we should always possess a black belt. So black belt is also a very much necessity possession of our accessories. So here we can always use this in our trousers, with our pants or with our jeans. And even if you're wearing a dress, we can always tie a belt to give a more stylish look. So these five accessories are very important. Leather, it can be a leather belt. It doesn't mean that it has to be pure leather belt. So you can choose your section because belts are easily available anywhere and everywhere. So these five accessories are very important to make our personality look great, stylish, stunning, and gorgeous. So first it was the watch, second was the pearl necklace, third one is the belt, and fourth one is pair of gogs, fifth one is purse, a nominal size purse. Now, while talking to you, I just remembered we should have one more accessory, which is very important for us. So, it is a pair of earrings of a stud. Now, what is a stud? Stud means जब आपके पास एक स्टोन का इयरिंग होता है जो हमें हमारी पर्सनालिटी को बहुत अच्छा बनाता है. See, I mean, I hope you can see. I'm just wearing a one stone stud. So this will really make you look very fashionable. So I mean, it is not a diamond stud. It is an artificial stud, which you can buy it anywhere in any of the jewelry shops. So this you can wear anywhere. Again, it will go for parties also. It can go for shopping. It can go for colleges, for students, for if you're going randomly anywhere, even though if you're going out for traveling, then also these studs really give a very shiny look to our personality. So these six tips and these six accessories are very important, and they are very must that one should always possess in their wardrobe and in their possessions. So I would be very grateful if you would really imbibe these six accessories and will make you look so wonderful and so beautiful. So thank you so much for attending my session and actually seeing all these accessories. So I'm sure all of you, all of us possess these accessories, but we become sometimes lazy or we become ignorant to actually wear them. So from today onwards, now onwards, whenever you're moving out of the house, it can be anywhere. So try to actually wear these six accessories, which will give you a grand royal look. So thank you so much. So I will come soon again for the next session. So till then, stay positive, stay happy. Bye bye. Thank you so much. See you soon. Catch you. Bye.